Welcome to the Quick and Easy Meal Channel. On this channel, we explore various ways to make quick and easy meals. This week, we're going to experiment with various meal kits. So this week, we will look at the Martha Stewart and Marley Spoon meal kit featuring low-carb French onion chicken breast. All right, so stay tuned. 6 easy steps and we'll have a nice, easy meal. Okay, before we get started, let's take a look at the ingredients. Chicken broth, boneless chicken and skinless, garlic, mozzarella cheese, salted butter, yellow onion, thyme, and olive oil. Our first step is we're going to caramelize our onion. So first, we have to thinly slice the onion. Once your onions are thinly sliced like this, and hopefully you didn't cry when you sliced them, then now we're going to prepare them for caramelization. Now the onions are pretty lucid, and we'll transfer these into a bowl now and reserve them for the next step. Here we go. Looks really good. All right, so now we're ready for the next step. Now we're going to prep the garlic and then the mozzarella, and we'll use 2 cloves, one for now and one for later. This is what the clove is. We're going to thinly slice the garlic cloves, 2 of them. One for now and one for later. And in case you notice, there's a little extra in there because I do love garlic. So feel free to add more garlic if you like it as much as I do. Now we've thinly sliced 3 ounces of mozzarella cheese. Now we've patted dry the chicken, added some salt and pepper on both sides, and now we're going to cook it on each side for 3 to 4 minutes per side. Make sure you add some more olive oil to your pan. Let's cook it on both sides for 3 to 4 minutes. Now that the chicken has cooked 3 minutes on each side and pretty much brown, we'll transfer it to a plate, and now we'll get ready to make the sauce for this nice, delicious meal. Now it's time to make our sauce. So to get started with our sauce, we will put about a tablespoon of olive oil, and then we're going to add in our thinly sliced garlic. For about 30 seconds, we'll let that cook, try to brown that up. We'll stir this until it's golden brown. Then we're going to add in our chopped up thyme. We're going to add that in. Now we'll add in our thyme. And now we're going to add in our chicken broth. Let that cook for about 2 minutes. We'll turn it down just a little bit. Now we'll add the chicken and the caramelized onions. Once you got your onion on top, now you add the mozzarella cheese on top and just double stack some of this just to make it happen. Preheat your oven on top broil and let that cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, but watch it because everybody's oven's different. Make sure it doesn't burn. All right, now prepare to put this in the oven.